on this beat, yeah.
You don't believe me.
The GDC is asking for 20%, sir.
It's not going to pass at 20%. It's a long shot at 10.
How do you know that until you put the full weight of the White House behind it?
Sydney, at 20%, we're 34 votes shy in the House. It can't be done. But I'll tell you what. Make a deal. If you can get 24 votes, I'll get you the last 10. Votes, I'll get you the last 10.
24 votes?
If you can swing 24 votes by the State of the Union, I will promise you full White House support.
Do I have your word on that, sir?
Absolutely. Listen, are you hungry? I skipped.